friends, welcome. If this is your first time visiting, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping in. If you haven't already done so, please hit the subscribe button. I would love to have you as a YouTube friend. And if you like the video, give it a big thumbs up. So today we are going to do a dupe of an altered state necklace that I just thought was so cute. And I'm going to put the picture of it up here. So this necklace, $34. So still not expensive. However, you know, sometimes it's fun to do it yourself. And we are going to do it for about $9 and some change. But we're also going to be using an 18 karat gold plated necklace. So this is from Hobby Lobby. So it's normally $8.99, 40% off. Now on this necklace, it has this piece that's down. Now, if you're interested, this necklace, 40% off, $8.99, and it's 14 karat heavy gold plated, so it's not going to tarnish or anything. And I saw somebody online wearing a necklace like this, and then it had like a coin right here. Super cute. I just thought that was adorable. Now for me, I'm going to take this piece off, and I'll probably keep this and use it on like a keychain or something like that, because this is really cute. But I liked the idea of having this little circle in the middle. So then here are our little pieces. $6.99, but also 40% off. So these two together were $9 and some change. And this is just really, really similar to the altered state and adorable. So we are going to use this. And I don't even need any like jump hooks because this already has them. All right, so I'm just going to move the camera and then we'll make it. And look how pretty these are. So I did a video on these the other day. So this is actually cardstock, and now they're nice and hard because I put UV resin on them, and they turned out so cute. I'm gonna finish them up with some pictures, hopefully this week, and they're gonna go in my refrigerator. But I just really wanted to do this. So I'm just gonna take this off. And then I will save this little piece because this is really cute, and I'll probably put it on like a keychain or something.
Now, I'm not putting as many charms on this as the Alter State one has, but honestly, I could buy a couple packs of these and still be a lesser price. And then also the fact that I did get an 18 karat gold plated necklace for the price. Now, there's also these two cute little lobsters that they have. I did buy them to put on the necklace. However, I purchased them and I must have thrown it away when I was taking everything out of the bag. I must have left them in and then thrown the bag away because I didn't have it. But they do have these two really cute little lobsters also. So you could make it as robust as the Altered State necklace is. I just really didn't want that, but you can definitely do that.
And look at that, quick and easy. Now, I intentionally did not space them out evenly. I wanted them to be kind of off from each other. So there's my center. And I didn't necessarily want them to all be like exact even. Oh, wait. That's the center. This is center because the little. So yeah. And here's what it looks like. Came out super cute. Now, for me, I actually was planning on using it as a bag charm because I got this blue and white striped Betsy Johnson purse that has like a lobster on it. I was going to use it as a bag charm around, but I might not because this is really cute. Anyways, there we go. Bye, friends.